Here again for all of us to deliver chemistry. Take a look at this topic. Electrovalent bond, also known as ionic bond. This is a bond that exists between two atoms, in which one is a metal and the other is a non-metal. The metal transfers electron to the non-metal and then become positively charged, cation, while the non-metal receives this electron and become negatively charged, anion. Let's see how some compounds are formed by covalent bond. Example is potassium chloride. How potassium chloride is formed? Potassium is 19, chlorine is 17, the atomic number. Now see potassium. Potassium is 19, so the first shell occupies 2 electrons, the next shell 8, the other shell is 8, and the last shell occupies 1 electron. This is called potassium atom. Now, the other one is for chlorine. This is chlorine. Chlorine 17, 2, 8, then the 7, we occupy the last shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is chlorine atom. Nobody is there to give potassium a whole 7. So it has to transfer this 1 electron that is in its outermost shell to chlorine, because chlorine needs 1 to ensure stability. So for both of them to be stable, potassium has to transfer this electron to chlorine. So after the transfer of electrons, see what occurs. Potassium will be 2, 8. Then this one will be the last shell, this 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is potassium ion. Potassium ion. Ion. That is a cation. Cation. Why is it this plus? Meaning potassium has already given out 1 electron. Now let's see chlorine here. Chlorine is 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 1 electron has been transferred to chlorine. So this is chlorine ion. That is a chlorine ion, which is an anion. Every non-metal is an ion. So what brought about this minus, meaning chlorine has received 1 electron. So this is how potassium chloride is being formed. Let's take another one, for example. Let's take aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. 2 aluminium are participating in the bond formation, while 3 oxygen are going to participate in the bond formation. So this is the 2 aluminium. The first aluminium, every aluminium, the atomic number of aluminium is 13. That of oxygen is 8. So 13, that is 2 here, 8, then the last 3 will occupy the outermost electron. The same thing with the other aluminium, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3. This is aluminium atom. This is also aluminium atom. Then, let's come to the one of oxygen. How many oxygen are participating? 3 oxygen are participating in the bond formation. 3 oxygen. 3 oxygen. 3 oxygen. Oxygen is 8, so 2 here, 6 will occupy the last electron. Remember, each of these oxygen needs 2 electrons to ensure stability. So 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is oxygen atom. The same thing with this oxygen atom, oxygen atom. Now, this 2 electron comes to this place, this first oxygen. This 2 electron comes to the second oxygen, while this 2 electron comes to the last oxygen. Now, after the transfer of electrons, see what happens. This one will now become aluminium ion. 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one will be the outermost shell of aluminium now, because this 3 electron has been used for bonding. This is called aluminium ion. Aluminium ion, which is going to be 3 plus. 3 plus. The other one is 22. Aluminium ion. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is also aluminium ion. 3 plus. This is also cat ion. It's a cat ion. It's a cat ion because they are metal. So this 3 plus meaning it has transferred 3 electrons. Then let's come to the other one. The 3 oxygen are here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each of these is called oxygen ion. 2 minus. 2 minus. Each of these is oxygen ion. And these are called an ion. So an ion. So this is how aluminium oxide is being formed, friends. This is how it is being formed. So I want you to go and practice with this. Now you will go and practice this. How magnesium oxide is formed. How magnesium oxide is formed. MgO. How it is formed. Let me just give you the magnesium. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. You know of oxygen already. It's 8. Then you are still going to go and look for how let me say lithium fluoride is formed. Lithium fluoride, LiF. How lithium fluoride is formed. Go and also practice that too, friends. Lithium, as you know it, lithium is 3. Fluorine, atomic number is 9. So go and practice it. Lithium is a metal. Fluorine is a non-metal. Magnesium is a metal. Oxygen is a non-metal. This is also a bond that is formed from electrovalent compound. So friends, I'm still going to go and produce the short form of this video, the short video of this topic, electrovalent bond or ionic bond. So always abreast with this teaching. I'm here to deliver what will benefit you, your children. It helps them to pass their exam, that is chemistry, with ease. Thanks.